You spend hours editing your video on CapCut and it looks great. You hit export and then CapCut tells you that some pro features are included. All the features that you've been using for the entire video. I've been there before, I know how it is. So I made this video so you don't have to be. Let's start with the good news, because there is a lot of it. CapCut Desktop Free is genuinely one of the best free editors available right now. You get the full timeline, multi-track editing, keyframe animation, chroma key, so you can do your green screen, you can do speed ramping, velocity, you can have quite a few filters, free music and sound effects. So all of it, no payment required. Free exports at 1080p with no watermarks on your own original footage. The only thing that adds a watermark on free is the CapCut outro clip that appears automatically at the end of your timeline if you're using the mobile app. Just delete it before export and then you are super clean. For YouTube, for Reels, for Shorts, 1080p is completely usable quality. If you're just starting out, you don't need to pay, full stop. Now here where it gets specific, because the words are here, you're adjusting places most tutorials don't show you. The AI limits, this is the big one on free. You get 5 AI auto edits per month, 3 AI effect generation, 5 background removals, and this also depends on the country that you are in. So this is really based on country. I'm showing you a few examples here for the United Kingdom, but there's very much difference between every country, especially Europe, US and Asia. And auto caption are capped at 10 minutes per video in some countries, in others is 5, and in my country, for example, I don't have free caption, but I did a video on Submagic last week, so you can just click on top left here at the moment and then you can see how to use the free caption. They're very professional, so you can use Submagic for that as well. If you're posting once or twice a week, you'll probably be fine. If you're posting daily, you hit those limits fast and gets really frustrating. 4K export is pro only. Free gives you 1080p. For most social content, that's completely fine, but if you are shooting 4K footage and want to deliver 4K to YouTube, you need pro. And then there's a trap most people fall into: pro tagged assets. You're browsing effect, transition, templates, you pick one that looks great, build your whole video around it, get to export, and CapCut tells you it's pro only. You can see because there's a little diamond on top left, like in this case. The fix is simple. Before you commit to any effect or template, check for the diamond on top left and you see if it's pro or if it's locked on free. This is something that I wanted to flag because many of the people using it, they don't really catch this one. And also there's not many tutorials talking about it. If you subscribe to Pro, then you use some effects or template, then you'll be able to save them. And also if you cancel, then the asset, they don't disappear. But then when you're going to export again, they probably ask you to subscribe to Pro again and you're not able to actually export. Your already exported videos are completely safe. The problem is then if you need to go back on those videos and you want to edit something, then you're not able to use the Pro features again. So if you're using Pro, I suggest to commit for a long term or stick with free assets when they are available. Make sure which one are Pro and which one are free, and you can always go back without losing anything. Can you monetize YouTube videos made with CapCut free? Yes, with one important condition: your own original footage edited in CapCut Desktop is fully monetizable, no issue at all. The risk comes from CapCut free stock asset, music tracks, template, stock footage from their library. Some of them have licensing and they are diamond. They are basically pro features. Free give you a limited license which cover personal content and small scale promotion. The moment you're earning significant revenue, they start to matter. There's also this little copyright check that most of the time is useful when you go to export, so you can double check here. It doesn't guarantee 100%, but if YouTube flag it as a copyright, then obviously you can change the song. It's just a bit of a longer work, but you can still go around it. My rule: if I'm uploading to a monetized channel, I only use audio and asset I know they are clear, either confirmed free asset or my own. Also, there's also the possibility to do the AI music. So if your country is one of the one where the AI music is available, it's only 1 minute per generation, but they are 100% free copyright. So that's perfect if you want to do a video, if you want to do a background. So is it worth paying? Here's the honest answer. It depends entirely on how often you're publishing and whatever you're earning from your content. Posting once or twice a week, using your own footage and audio, not hitting the high limits free is probably enough, genuinely. If you start starring and add to your favorites the free effects and transition, then probably it's gonna get very easy to use for you. But if you're posting daily, relying on AI, caption heavily, needing 4K, then Pro pays for itself. It saves time within the first week, so it's really a big saving on time as well. Very different pricing every different country. For example, usually is $9.99, whatever is dollars, euro, pounds, but check your countries. There's many differences in terms of price between countries. What I can say, you can use a free 7 days on the link in description below on my video. And another thing that I want to say is cheaper to buy directly on CapCut.com than through Google Play or App Store. So make sure you buy directly from them. You can do the annual billing, which is a bit cheaper. What I generally suggest, start free, use it properly, hit the walls, then you know exactly which Pro features you actually need, rather than pay for a full subscription and only using 20% of it. So a quick recap, you can use timeline in the free version, you can use 1080p, clean export with no watermarks as soon as you don't have any asset that are Pro tagged. The limit starts when we're talking about AI, 4K, and also commercial use. If you're not sure if a feature that you want to use is Pro or is free, you can leave a comment down below in the comment. I'll be happy to help in advance before you start editing for a few hours and then you're stuck behind the paywall. And if you like the video and this video was helpful, please like a video, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you here on the next one.